लिखें जी, रेडी। द ट्रेड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान अंडर ब्रैकेट TDAP, which was established on November 8, 2006, under the presidential ordinance, shall have Ministry of Commerce as its administrative ministry, full stop. TDAP is the successor organization to the Export Promotion Bureau and is mandated to have a holistic view of global trade development rather than only the export promotion perspective of its predecessor, full stop. Designated as the premium trade organization of the country, TDAP shall be a dedicated, effective, and an empowered organization which shall be professionally managed, full stop. The Trade Development Authority of Pakistan will develop and promote export holistically, through focus, synergy, and with collective wisdom and counsel of its stakeholders, full stop. In addition to aggressive, innovative, and proactive marketing and promotional efforts, it will achieve the objectives of rapid export growth through interactions and coordination with respective public and private sector stakeholders, and enhancing value of products and services by broadening the export base of our products, enhancing capability and capacity of supply base of goods and services by fostering sportive export culture and facilitation, and by encouraging export oriented foreign investment and joint ventures, full stop. TDAP will also help improve market access through advising the government on matters of trade diplomacy and promoting the business image of Pakistan in the key export markets for Pakistani products and services, the world over, full stop. TDAP mission is to achieve a quantum leap in Pak export, full stop. To fulfill such a mission, TDAP shall employ the right skills and competencies, professional management techniques, advanced international marketing strategy backed by competent market research and trade analysis, supported by use of latest technology, full stop. Paragraph. The functions of TDAP is recommend to the TDAP board, a national policy for maximizing exports of goods and services from Pakistan, and after approval of the federal government to develop strategy and plans within the policy framework given by the board, to develop a consistent, sustainable and result oriented, holistic export development plan, outlining vision, objectives, strategies and plan as approved by the board, to achieve synergy in development of exports at a national level by forging effective liaison with private and public stakeholders and avoiding duplication of efforts, to encourage and promote research in trade and policy related studies that may facilitate in formulating an effective export policy and plans, to plan, organize exhibitions, delegations to and from Pakistan, to plan and organize local, international and inter-provincial export promotional conferences, workshops, seminars to plan and organize foreign trade promotion through advertising in local and international print, electronic and other appropriate media, to liaise with trade bodies abroad to promote export sectors where separate sectorial boards slash bodies currently exist or will be formed in the future, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, to examine supply chains of strategic export sectors and develop plans and initiatives for strengthening supply base, including exports capabilities and capacities, to monitor progress against these plans for information of the board, to coordinate through Ministry of Commerce, with the federal and provincial governments and related organizations for a concerned supply chain initiative to provide visa assistance to outgoing or incoming businessmen, whether Pakistani or foreign nationals, in coordination with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Missions in Pakistan, to encourage, establish and manage where appropriate export development centers, business support units, display centers and facilities, and information centers, and exporters training institutes, etc. Full stop.